In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find hidden emails on your Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you have been sent an email and you have gone ahead and checked through all your various inboxes for primary, promotion, social, and even update, but you are still missing your emails, then to recover them is pretty simple. To recover or find hidden email, most likely the email was sent to spam inbox. Now, spam inbox contains emails that didn't hit the inbox, and most likely they were flagged as being malicious. And one of the reasons why your email might be flagged as malicious and sent to spam inbox is because the emailing system from the center was not well set up. So to find these emails, you need to go ahead and click on ellipsis here on your smartphone, and then click on these three lines. From here, scroll down until you see spam. As you can see, I already have 4 in my spam inbox, and if I tap on spam, you can see these are some of the emails that didn't reach my inbox. Now go ahead and identify any of the emails that you are looking for, and should you find it, go ahead and just tap on it to open, and you should see here. If you feel that the email was not a spam and it should be in your inbox, go ahead and just tap on report not spam. The moment you tap on this, it will be moved from spam box to your inbox here. Now if I go back to primary inbox here and tap on primary, you should see we have our email available now in our main inbox. So that's how you can find hidden emails on your Gmail account using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.